Sup guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have quite a little treat for you guys. I'm gonna be showing you how to make rice water the right way, the way the Yao women do it, okay? And these are the things you'll need: some rice, I'm using jasmine rice, spring water, organic green tea, the rind from a citrus fruit, and of course a jar to store. This video also marks, like, for the entire month of July, and probably it will go over a bit into August. I'm going to be doing a 1-month rice water challenge. I want to try the rice water challenge, see how it'll make my hair grow, you know what I'm saying? We're trying to get length, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to do it as closely as possible to what the Yao women do, which is use it as a shampoo, not like a spritz or a leave-in or, you know, that type of stuff. I'm gonna try to use it exactly how they do it. I don't know about you, but I'm so excited to see what this rice water is gonna do, if it does anything. My hair growth is pretty on point with the average of 1/2 inch per month. So basically, if my hair grows anything more than 1/2 inch per month using the rice water, then we'll just assume that, okay, that thing did the dang thing, okay? If it didn't, then... So first off, I'll go ahead and in this big bowl, I'll go ahead and rinse my rice first. So I just go ahead and pour my rice into the bowl and give it a quick rinse before I get into the process of making this rice water. Rinsing the rice is good just to get off any dust and unnecessary particles that we do not necessarily want in our hair. After that quick rinse, go ahead and throw that dirty water off, and then we're ready to begin the process of making our rice water. So here I have my spring water or distilled water. I'll just pour it into the rice. And then this is the method, guys. After I combine the rice and the water, I scrub the rice between my hands while I'm washing it again. That way you get all the nutrients off of the rice and into that water instead of just twirling it around in there. Just really try to scrub the rice between your hands. This way you're really getting that outer layer of the rice off and combined with the water. After you've done that, just go ahead and pour your rice water off into a little cup or something and set it aside. And this is the initial stages of your rice water. Some people use it this way, but it's not really that beneficial. What you need to do next is go ahead and boil this water. Boil it. Now, after your rice water comes to a boil, you're going to turn the fire off and let that cool. After the water has cooled down, go ahead and pour it into your storage jar, mason jar, a little bottle, whatever you have on hand. Now you're gonna just cover that and let that sit for about a week so that it can ferment. I actually left mine, well, not on purpose, but I ended up leaving mine for about 2 weeks. So after it has sat and fermented for at least a week, you're gonna go ahead and boil it again. Now, a lot of people complain about the smell, but I'm telling you, if you do it the way you're supposed to, it's gonna smell slightly sour, but it's not gonna be funky. That's why you need to boil it before you ferment it. So now I'll just add the peels of the citrus fruit, and I'm going to also add green tea to this. Now, if I was going to use it the way the Yao woman did, which is like a shampoo, I would have opened up this bag and boiled everything together until it became like a thick paste for the shampoo. But since I just put my hair in braids and ain't nobody got time for that, I'm going to just do it as a spray. So I'm just gonna let that sit and boil everything together, making sure to give everything a little stir, press my tea bag down a little to get all the nutrients out of that. And when it has come to a rapid boil, just turn your stove off and let it sit and cool. Now that your rice water is officially done, it's ready to use. At this point, you can place it into a spray bottle to use. You can put it in an applicator bottle if you want to use it right away, or if you want to continue to store it, go ahead and put the citrus peel as well as your completed rice water back into the mason jar, and you can store it in the refrigerator for use at a later time. Now, mind you, this will continue to ferment further the longer you leave it, which is not a problem because the more fermented it gets, the higher the level of patera and inositol. Inositol is known to aid in hair growth, while patera is a protein that helps in length retention. The protein part of this strengthens the hair strands, keeping them at optimum health, which helps to limit breakage and splitting. So as your hair grows, you hold on to the length that you've gained. So good luck, guys. Give it a try and let me know if you like this recipe. Bye!